Each box become a cube. Let's find the total. 7 minus 1, 6, minus 3, 3, minus 11, minus 8, plus 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 15, and minus 12, minus 12. Minus 12 over 2 is equal to minus 6. Each box needs to be minus 6. Let's check the first box. 7 minus 1, minus 3, minus 11. Totally 6, 3, and minus 8. This is minus 8. The other one, 4, minus 2, minus 9, and 3. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 9, minus 7, minus 4. They need to be equal to each other and they need to become minus 6. So we need to replace two numbers. The difference is 2. Look at it, minus 11 and minus 9. If you replace these, the first one will be minus 6. The second one also will be minus 6. The answer is C.